Hello, welcome back. So what we're looking at today is 9-7, adding fractions with unlike denominators. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So how can you add fractions with unlike denominators? Alex rode his scooter from his house to the park a half mile. Later, he rode from the park to baseball practice a third mile. How far did Alex ride? Well, in order to take and add these two fractions together, 1/2 plus 1/3, that's supposed to be a plus sign, we need to take and find a common denominator. So 2 and 3, what number do they both go into? What's the least common denominator? Well, that would be 6. So they're both going to go into 6. What do we have to multiply 2 by to get to 6? We multiply by 3. So 3 times 1 is 3. What do we have to multiply 3 by to get to 6? We multiply by 2. So we end up with 2 here. So 3, 6 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 2 is 5, 6. So he went 5/6 of a mile the other day. So his total distance. All right, our next one, we have 1/2 and 2/9. What's the common denominator between 2 and 9? 2 and 9. Well, that's going to be 18. So we had to multiply 2 by 9, so we end up with 9/18. So we multiplied 9 by 2, so we end up with 4/18. 9 plus 4 is 13/18. So your keyword for this lesson is unlike, because we're dealing with unlike denominators. All right, this next one, we have 2/6 and we have 3/8. So what number can both 6 and 8 go into? The smallest possible number. Well, that would be 24. So 6 times 4 gives us 24. So 2 times 4 will give us 8. 8 times 3 gives us 24. So 3 times 3 is 9. 8 plus 9 is 17/24. And there's our answer. All right, here we have 1/4 and 7/10. So what's the common denominator between 4 and 10? 20 is the common denominator. So they both will go into 20. So if you struggle at all figuring these out, remember, think back to yesterday's lesson. List out the 4s. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 10, 20. Find that least common multiple. So 4 times 5 gives us 20, so we have 5/20, and 2 times 10 gives us 20, so 7 times 2 is 14. 5 plus 14 equals 19/20. All right, here we have 12 and 8. 12 and 8. So 12, we've got 12, 24, 36, 48. 8, we have 8, 16, 24. 24 is our common denominator. So 12 times 2 gives us 24, so 5 times 2 is 10. 8 times 3 gives us 24, so 1 times 3 is 3. So we have 13/24. Okay, so just taking our unlike denominators and making them into like denominators by finding the least common denominator using what we did yesterday with our least common multiples and least common denominators. All right, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.